Joyce Alcela and welcome on this tutorial about the computer parts and their functions. In today's session, we'll take a closer look on the essential components that made up a computer and understand how they work together to perform a task. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a clear understanding on each part and appreciate how computers handle complex processes effectively. So, what are you waiting for?
Good day everyone. So today we will be discussing about the several parts of a computer. But before anything else, I would like to introduce myself. My name is Kisbert Incabas Perales and I am going to introduce you the several parts of a computer. And let's begin to the central processing unit, or known as CPU. So what is CPU? CPU is often referred to a brain of a computer. It is to process instructions and carry out tasks based on the software running on your machine. So as we can see here, this is what CPU looks like. It is very important as the main part of a computer. The purpose of CPU in a computer, it performs calculation, it runs program, and it makes decision based on users' input. As we can also see here, the CPU is located on the motherboard area. And let's move forward to the second one, which is the monitor. So what is monitor? Monitor is a screen that we use to see visual output from our computer. So as we can see here, this is what monitor looks like. It displays images, videos, and even text from our computer. And always remember that high quality monitor give us a better resolution.
A keyboard is an input device that allows you to type information into the computer. So I'll show you an example of a keyboard. This one is a keyboard. So the purpose of a keyboard is to enter text, numbers, and special characters. So a keyboard layout includes letters, numbers, this one, numbers, the function keys like F1, F2, and many more. And special keys like the space bar, this one, the shift, and control. So those are the function of a keyboard. And next is the mouse. So it's another input device that allows you to point and click and interact with the items on your screen. So when you are in the screen, so you will see an arrow like this. So you should know that, you will know that your mouse is functioning. That one. The purpose of the mouse is to navigate and select objects on the computer interface. For example, this one. So let's choose this Google Chrome. So you can open it by clicking the mouse. So this one. Yeah.
What is motherboard? Motherboard is the main circuit of the board inside the computer that holds the CPUs, the memory, and other essential components of the computer. The purpose of the motherboard is to connect all of the essential components, and it allows them to communicate with each other. The location of the motherboard is inside the computer case. Wow. There are the motherboard is also called the main board or the logic board.
What is GPU? GPU is responsible for rendering images, videos, and animations. It's particularly important for gaming and video editing. The locations of GPUs are inside the computer case. The purpose is to handle complex graphical calculations, ensuring smooth performance for visual tasks. There are two types of GPUs. GPUs are built into the CPU, while dedicated GPUs are separate components.
The RAM, or the random access memory, is the computer's short-term memory. This is where data is stored temporarily while you're using it. The RAM is attached to the motherboard. It provides space for the computer to read and write data completely, and it also helps in running applications smoothly. The hard drive, or SSD, or the storage, is where all your files, programs, and operating system are stored. It serves as a long-term storage of data, from software to documents and media.
Supply unit of PSU. That PSU provides power to all components of computer. Purpose convert electricity from home into from the computer can use. Location inside the computer case, usually in the back.
Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all doing well today. So, our next task is I'll teach you how to start a computer. So, it's very basic, it's very simple. I'll walk you through on how to start a computer step by step. Okay? Okay, so this is our computer. So, as you can see, we have a monitor, we have a keyboard, and we have a mouse as well. Here, this is the mouse. So I'll teach you right now how to start a computer. So first, you have to make sure your computer is plugged in and connected to a power source. Okay, you have to make sure it's plugged in. Okay, so once that's done, locate the power button. So it's usually on the front or side of your computer or laptop. So this is the power button, so you have to turn it on. You should see the screen light up, and then the system will begin to boot. Now, let's give it a moment to load. Once you see the login screen, you have to type in your username and your password, and then after logging in, you'll be ready to start your work. So as you can see, it has my first name and last name. So you have to enter your password so that you can get in. Okay, so as you can see, and that's it. You're all set to use your computer. If anyone has any questions or needs help, feel free to ask.
So, that's end our tutorial, and I hope you guys gain a solid knowledge about the parts and functions of the computer. Remember, each part of the computer plays a critical role, and together they create a powerful tool for us to play, to work, and everything in between. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys see you in our next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe and click the notification bell. Bye-bye!
Yeah.